favorite recipes and ideas. Anyway, it's Christmas is coming up very soon, and I want to say something to you, to the fans and to my friends. Anyway, we are showing you things and ways how you can do things at home. So first of all, I'm going to show you how you can marinate your jerk pork for Christmas. We're going to put some jerk pork on the table, and also if you want me to cook it, you need to leave a review, a comments below. That's I can, you know what I mean, cook it for you guys. But thank you so much for tuning into the show, and stay tuned and follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. And you know, Chef Ricardo does keep it real and natural. You know what I mean? That's where we are at the moment. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Chef Ricardo cooking show is amazing. It's coming up to what? Christmas. Anyway, I just come from my local butcher, and I'm gonna say butcher. His name is Peasley. The butcher, how's he? He's on London Road, and this is his business card right here, guys. So basically, we can guys see exactly what's going on right here in the kitchen. As you can see, that is number right there, 028 684 1075, 780 London Road, Phantom East, CR76JB. It's Christmas. You need to get your meat, you need to get your stuff for Christmas. So what I'm gonna do, you know what I mean, it's Christmas coming up very soon, so I need to show my fans them all, you know what I mean, we are gonna have like probably jerk pork on the table, or probably stew pork, or probably, I don't know what you're gonna have on your table this year, but I know our year time we normally have a lot of meat and stuff on the table. So basically I'm gonna show my fans them how they can marinate their jerk pork for this Christmas. You have to have some meats and some stuff on the table, because it's not only turkey alone. When we do at Jamaica, we do Christmas in Jamaica, a mad thing. Yeah? So give my fans them how they can show, you know what I mean, some ideas of how you can get your meat marinate and ready for Christmas. It's gonna be fun this Christmas. Alright, let's go into business. Right here I have, as I said, just coming from the local butcher, and let's get some pork. Look at this, clean and nice and fresh. So the meat fresh, I just wash it off with some lemon juice. Alright, we all know what this is all about. You know what I mean? 90 cooker. If it doesn't have one of this in the kitchen, please get one. Very nice to work with. Alright? What we're going to do, I'm going to show you how you can crush up some seasoning and some stuff ready for the pork. So first thing, I'm going to put some garlic in my 90 crusher right here. Roughly that's 2, 4, 6 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna get some spring onion. Nice one. Let's put some spring onion in it. Oh, that's lovely and nice. Then some thyme. Nice one. Some olive oil. A little bit of mixed herb. What we're going to do, we're going to just mash this. Alright. If it doesn't have one of these guys, honestly, you need to get one. Really nice to work with. Special for mush all the garlic. Really nice. Really nice to work with. Then what we're going to do is scrape out this. So all of those natural seasoning I just put on it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a teaspoon of the jerk season. I got some jerk season which I just brought from the supermarket. Very spicy and hot. Jamaican jerk seasoning, really nice to work with, honestly. So right here I got some seasoning which I want to put on it. First thing, I'm gonna put a teaspoon of paprika. Let's put another teaspoon. Nice one. I know you guys gonna love this. So this is another way how you can do your jerk pork for this Christmas. If you want me to marinate it for you, if you want me to cook it for you, let me know. A little bit of coarse pepper. Large teaspoon of paprika. All of these seasoning, if you doesn't want to use them, guys, it's up to you. Just, you know what I mean? It's just to show you what you can do at home. And I have some. I got some everyday season. 1 teaspoon of the everyday season. Everyday season, really nice. Let's put a little bit of oil on the pork. I got some honey. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of honey for a taste, you know what I mean? If you got gloves, please use gloves and marinate it on. Don't do what I'm doing, alright guys? I'm gonna marinate up the pork like this. Cause you know what I mean, sometimes the pork have bone and it might get in your finger, so you have to be careful. But I'm a chef and I know what I'm doing. And especially jerk season is really hot. So please don't do what Chef Ricardo do right so. You need to get your gloves and use your gloves, alright? Because I want to rub my meat, rub it up properly. Yeah man, this look nice. See that? So you look already? And then, looking lovely and nice. Alright. So this is another way how you can do your Christmas pork. So basically, we're gonna have pork, stew chicken, probably curry chicken, fried plantain, roast turkey, roast beef. You name it, all of these things, you know what I mean, gonna be at the table because your family gonna come over, so you do some little jerk pork and all them things there. Look at this. Really nice. So what you're gonna do now, so tomorrow is Christmas, then you want to marinate this from the day before and get it really soaked properly. Look at that man. Beautiful and nice Christmas jerk pork. And you can blend up your own jerk seasoning if you like to. But I just use the one in the jar, you know what I mean? Because the one in the jar tastes really nice same way. With some natural season towards it. So bringing a lovely flavor and a lovely taste. So guys, as you can see right here, this is it right here, looking lovely and nice. Hopefully you guys like the recipe and please subscribe to the channel. Look at that. That is looking lovely and nice. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments below. My name is Chef Ricardo and I represent Jamaica and the world. Thank you so much and stay tuned.